Authentic atmosphere in Rincon de Loix. Your favorite places, typical old, well-known bars, new businesses, and much, much more. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and welcome back to Rincon de Loix, Benidorm town. Today it's time to show you how the upper Rincon de Loix has changed. Autumn season, you all know that autumn is here, peak season is over. What's happening right now when many more people arrive to the campsites, to longer stay winter, more or less, stay accommodations here, and which new businesses have opened up? Well, we're about to show it to you guys here on the channel, so stay tuned. We start today's video right next to the Round Town Travel, which is the tours and excursions agency and different ticket selling agency. And here in front we have the Red Lion. This is a typical place that a lot of people know, that has some shows, has some music, and this is a slightly more healthy part because it doesn't go as crazy as the brother of this place, the Red Lion, the other one on the British Street. So this is slightly quieter. Here people mostly go for some drinks or sports. Plenty of giant screens. You can see a lot of different sports out here. Obviously there's some shows too. And there's some offers for drinks, especially in bucket deals. Many people find these quite affordable. That is why they are coming here. Quite a bit of movement around the Rincon right now, at least. Buses. This one doesn't show which one it is. That's interesting. Usually they should put on the bus right there which kind of bus it is. It shouldn't be just like this, but I think it's a bus number 10. Simply because, well, it's going through this area, and this is the type of bus that usually brings people through all this part, through Altea, Albir, Alfaz del Pi, and then here towards Benidorm up until the Mediterranean Avenue. So usually these are the buses that are running here. Quite affordable, cheap, especially if you have a unlimited or like a specific card, like a Bono card, to use during your trips here in the area. Melia Benidorm Hotels Terrace. Very sunny today. This looks really inviting. They've closed all the umbrellas. Usually I see it with umbrellas on, but they've closed all of these, and there's plenty of sunshine here at this very moment. Really nice. They have a good spa. It is a nice hotel. It is huge though. Their common areas tends to get really busy, so that just depends on if you fancy something like this or if you want something slightly quieter for your holidays. Plenty of nice accommodations here. Flamingo Oasis as well. Levante Club, which is adults recommended. Lidl, the supermarket. It is great that now we have so many supermarkets here in Rincon. Probably the only thing missing is Mercadona. But Lidl and Aldi supermarkets are here. They're working really well. There's quite a lot of people using them, especially those on self-catering and those who are in the campsites. Wow, these places are working quite a bit. The corner bars closing down, I think. They're cleaning all the terrace, making it ready for the next day. Typical Chinese restaurants. This is of those that, well, would need a refurbishment already desperately. And people tend not to go to these type of places any longer. They choose something more innovative or something with a cleaner look. So a lot of these places are closing down here. You either renovate or shut down. Rock and roll here. Not too busy, just simply because it's still slightly early and it's, well, not a weekend. All the kebab places here. Another 24-hour supermarket. Another kebab house. A Indian restaurant. Indian and Pakistani restaurant here next door too. Oh, this is new. What in the world is that? Grandma's dumplings. Ooh, it's gonna be a new place. This is the menu of the day of the Indian place, 1995. Looks all right. That's a typical price here. They're still changing it. Grandma's dumplings. Probably they will sell dumplings, but Grandma's dumplings, that's an intriguing name. Oh, we're curious.
For you too.
Beers Friends Sports Bar here.
you.
Quite a bit
Good
of people. The
evening.
terrace is actually full.
Thank you.
That is nice. They have some good pricing here too, by the way. So many people do visit these famous bars already by now. Sinatra's Premium Dinner Show place, quite quiet. Honestly, they're preparing the area. There will be some entertainment in the evening, so it will get busy. Don't be fooled by this. It will get busy today, but not just yet. Tropical house here. A few tables on the sunny terrace. They do have entertainment up until late from 8 p.m. So still slightly early, but people do come here for some drinks just to sit down and relax on the sunshine. We're right next to the Levante Club Hotel right now, and from here we are officially entering the upper Rincon de Loix. Let's see what's hiding out here, shall we?
Pablo Boxeador de Benidorm.
And here we have some friendly people in the upper Rincon de Loix that we meet every now and then. New businesses are here. You cannot even imagine. Lena's Cafe, it's like a cafeteria, a brand new one, freshly opened, just a couple of weeks ago probably. In the morning, quite a bit of people are here. Some old bar, this was old Dilligaf, I think, closed down now. Butterfield's closed down. Lounge, the lounge is working as usual. They have some nice food. They do barbecues here. It's just a lovely atmosphere. It is more or less like self-catering. You have to go there to actually ask for drinks and meals out there. Plenty of happy tourists here having a walk. Start to see slightly more mobility scooters, by the way, too. But this is a very, very nice place to be. They have today's specials. Quite nicely priced place, honestly, and it is convenient. You have either sunshine or shade. It's just a great atmosphere for people to be, and that's why a lot of people are visiting it. Let's see, what else do we have? There is a brand new British supermarket out here. How in the world do these keep opening up? I don't get it. Another supermarket, look at that. Another supermarket, just a regular typical one, exactly the same as all the rest of them. I feel like they're even purchasing products with the same supplier. If not, I cannot explain it. It's all literally the same. Fish and chips here plus drink with dessert, 9 euros. Ooh, English breakfast, 5 euros. That's not bad, isn't it? Black chicken too. Woohoo! Black chicken too. Quite a nice atmosphere. People are playing pool. It's just, see, this is one of those places here in Rincon de Loix where it is cozy to be here. You know, it's just, it's cozy to be here. It is nice. They have some entertainment here as well, karaoke. It's just a pleasant place to be. More places out here nearby. People are celebrating small, teeny, tiny bars next to the bigger ones. This is a Coco Benidorm. There's usually some lovely entertainment in this place. It has both indoors and outdoors, a big terrace here with some lovely evening sunshine when it's not as hot so much. People are enjoying the great evening. Many people from the campsites are also here. And that's where people just keep gathering. You know, these places are really nice. They're cozy, they're friendly, they are quite affordable, and they're right here next to the campsite, so they don't need to walk that much towards lower parts of the city, and it's just convenience. It is convenient. It is nice. Some more bars like the Royal here. Also quite a bit of people. Live sport. Cash only. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. They have cash only here. Ask staff for other games. So I guess you can choose if there's not a lot of people and you want to watch something different on the TV. They might put it for you. That's actually quite good. The Dilligaf right here nearby and the Raco campsite on the left. Quite a big camping, honestly, and quite a lot of people are coming here for their holidays, I have to say. quite a lot of people, and usually it's pretty full, even in winter season. Not that we're in winter season just yet, but you get me, outside of summer. New place, Royal Indian, but on the right side it says Mexican restaurant and bar. What in the world is that? What is that? That is a strange thing. When you say it's Indian restaurant and then you put Mexican, why? Why do that? That is a very strange thing to do, isn't it? I'm confused what it actually is. Greenies, snooker bar here in Benidorm. Actually, quite a nice place. See, a lot of people are playing snooker, playing pool out there on the terrace. I wish it would be open. Maybe you can open it because these are like windows, but probably they just put the AC on, and that's why. But I wish it would have like open windows. It would be slightly cozier, and people from the outside would feel like they can go inside way easier. You know, they just from the street they can see what's going on. Yoake Wang here, the menu. Look at this. This is a very cheap menu. Set menu, either less than 10 or less than 14 euros. This is actually one of our favorite places to go. They have really good food, and they buy all the veggies from the supermarket. It's just a very nice, typical like Asian, not an Indian, Asian style restaurant. Really cozy place. Not too packed up. Dinner maybe, but on lunchtime it's quite quiet, so there's no loud music. It's just a pleasant place to be. And brand new businesses, some good old bars and cafeterias, plenty of movement here in the upper Rincon de Loix. It is its best season, don't you think? Thank you for accompanying us in today's short video. Goodbye.